Hello everyone. So the last part of this object is object destructuring, which is a very useful feature, especially when you deal with front-end frameworks like Vue, React, and it has got many use. So you can look at this website and the link will be in the GitHub repo. So the interview.txt file where I usually write all the definitions. So object destructuring is a useful JavaScript feature where you can extract properties from objects and bind them to variables. So let us look at some things like we write const all data equals to name Tanzim, age I'm always 25, profession software developer. Now if I want to find what is there in the console, what I can just do is console log all data. Okay, now I'm not doing this, running this, because that would beat the purpose of this video. So arrays can be so what is written here is we can extract the properties from objects. That is, these are the properties. So we can take all of them in name, age, and profession and just destructure them equals to all data. Okay, so now if we just write console log name, age, and profession. Okay, so name is a reserved keyword. Let's put my name. And now if you run this script, so it's very easy when maybe you'll understand when you will deal with frameworks like React is a library, React, Vue, that how useful is this property. As of now, just know that you take all the properties inside an object and you make it equivalent to the main object, and you can just print any of them in the console or in the DOM. So I guess you're clear with object destructuring now, and not only object, you can destructure arrays too. Maybe in a future video we will show how array destructuring is done. So as of now, that's very much it for this tutorial, and in the next tutorial we might study about high order array functions, or we might even study about OOP in JavaScript. That depends, but hopefully we'll see you in the near future, and thank you all.